The most important thing that I've learned over the past 5 years of becoming a consistently profitable trader and creating a coaching business that has helped hundreds of people become full-time traders is that you don't need to be smart, you don't need to be talented, you don't need a God-given gift of knowing how to trade. What you need to do is to outwork everyone. And it's not about outworking people for a couple days or for a couple weeks. You have to do this for months. You have to do this for years. And then you start to see your results stack and stack, and you build more and more momentum. And all of a sudden you're accelerating past everyone that you know. Your mindset needs to be bulletproof. You can never give up. You're going to be discouraged. You're going to be frustrated, but you have to power through, wake up the next day, and get to work. There are no shortcuts. And if you work hard every single day, you never give up, so your mindset is completely bulletproof, and you have the right framework for success. You know what to do step by step to get to your end result. How can you possibly fail? And it's funny because I'll have people tell me that, oh, well, you gotta relax, man. You gotta chill and enjoy life. And it's like, yeah, well, if I could dedicate 5 to 7 years of working extremely hard in my 20s, I will set myself up for life. So when I'm in my 30s, in my 40s, I'm set. I'm basically retired, and that is my goal. Let me know in the comments if you resonate with this video and lock in, because if you could dedicate 1 year in just focused effort, focused work, you could change your life forever.